Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how to fix problem Facebook page. Message not showing, so how we can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just close your Facebook app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi, so just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. If you use cellular data, just open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second, and just power on phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just right here Facebook, and if you see update button, just tap on it and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Facebook app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.